We're making strawberry cupcakes.
Yeah.
Okay, pour the cake. Mix.
Have to pull out of it. Look at that.
Okay, let's put the three
Oh,
eggs.
no, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Okay, so I have to crack it?
Crack it.
Oh, my God.
You don't have to crack it.
Oh, like that?
One.
Well, let me get the back somewhere else.
Two. Three eggs.
No, let me do that one. We can get these
Half
eggshells.
cup of oil.
We can get these.
One cup of water. And mix them.
Unmix it. So we have to mix it. Okay.
Mix it good, baby. Mix it good. Okay. Oh,
It
good
smells
job.
very good.
Baker.
It smells
My
really
little
good.
baker.
Look at that.
Good
Oh,
job.
I see some yellow.
Okay. Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
Keep mixing this.
Almost done.
And when it's a wibble it, let me do it, okay? And
Look at the jet! Look at the jet! Yay!
straws.
10 minutes maybe. It's done. Oh, it's hot. Ah! Really? There it is. Strawberry cupcake.
Wow.
Frosting.
I'll put that right here.
Oh. Not bad. Ah.
I got bigger cookie.
Get the one not much ice. Alright, what do we
This is
sprinkle
really
time?
good. And we're gonna do this, guys. Look at
Look at that sprinkle tinkle. Wow, good job.
Oh my gosh.
Stars. Yay! Eat. Yum.
This one is kind of yellow. It's yellow.
Yeah, that's from the bottom of the
Eggs.
Something. It's cooked though.
Yeah, looks yummy.
Yum.
Thank you, Maya.
Mimi made these.
We did. You helped me. You're a good helper. Yeah?
Yeah, I wanted to get these.
Yum.